Hello, everyone. Good morning.
Hi, Sunil.
Good morning, Sonal.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sunil.
Good morning.
Okay, so uh, I hope everyone have completed all your assignments, right? Everyone have completed?
Yes.
Yeah. What about others? What about others? Only one have completed, others have not completed. Did you guys have completed or not? Please let me know.
Yeah, few things are left, Sunil. Mine.
Okay, what about others?
There's
Few are left.
Okay, please try to complete as soon as possible, okay? Otherwise, it will be hectic. Okay. Next, regarding your QA sessions, can I know I hope Git is already started, right?
for batch one, it's not, Sunil.
So batch one is not.
For
What
batch
about
3
for
also not started.
hmm, what about other batch?
For batch 2, it is started, Sunil, like basics of the Git.
Hmm, hmm.
Yeah.
I hope I have already shared the Git notes with you guys, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Uh, Please let me know if there are any questions. There will be out of box questions. Okay, so you need to get it prepared. Okay, it's not like we'll be teaching everything. Okay, it's not possible to teach everything of Git. Okay, as you know that this is a like the course which is planned for 5 months only, right? If at all, if you are facing any questions very difficult, see, it's basically is like this. Okay, when taking a QA session, few questions from the class, whatever it is done, and few questions from which are not covered, okay, which are mainly for the uh, you to explore. Hmm? So you should get prepared. Okay, it's also that your efforts, like where you are searching, where you are also getting, how you are preparing, all this counts in QA sessions. Okay, those who have not yet completed and still needs to complete it, please make sure you are completed thoroughly. Apart from it, what about the branching strategy? Is everyone aware of branching strategy? Did you guys go through all the stuff? Uh, Anyone have any questions regarding the branching strategy? Uh, Guys, I want you to respond. Please respond to me.
As of now, no, Sunil, from me.
Okay. What about others?
In the document, it is mentioned like GitLab flow, GitHub flow, and one more flow.
GitLab.
Yeah,
Hmm?
GitLab, Git
Okay.
flow.
Hmm.
What is the main any difference or any?
Yeah.
Is it like the certain companies use these flows and certain companies use the
Hmm.
other flows like
Okay.
that?
Okay. Okay. I will. Uh, Let me know once you guys are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Hmm. See, Git is a version control system, right? DVCS. Yes or no? Okay. Now, GitHub, for example, is this your central repository? Yes. Again, GitLab, which is offered by another company. Okay, it is also a central repository. We have another one, Bitbucket, Bitbucket, Bitbucket. This is also another organization. Amazon Code Commit, it is by the AWS. Okay, it is also a Git repository. This is just like a different products, that's it, under the same version control system from different companies. Is it clear? And whatever the commands that you use, right? It is same for all of it. For example, git pull, git clone, git push, right? All of it are same. Git is in your local. You need to install Git and you need to work on it. But while pushing it, installed in your local, you can merge Git, erase. All commands are same. But the center repository is different. I'm talking about the center repository. While push Git push and followed by your HTTPS, right? Where your repository is. So I'll push it to the respective central repository. Git push, git clone. All commands are same itself, but only the central repository is different names. This is largely used by communities, large communities. Okay, lot of people. And why choose GitLab? GitLab is like central repository plus CI/CD. CI/CD. Jenkins, you will be learning in your sessions, right? It is like Git, GitHub plus Jenkins is your GitLab. Okay, you learn this in later stage what this is, how it will be. Okay, this Jenkins is Bitbucket again. Again, it is also very similar like this. Okay, and Amazon Code Commit. This comes directly under your AWS account. In your AWS account, if you go ahead and see, there is some code commit will be there. Service. Amazon AWS will offer a code commit service. So you can find it there. It's a different branch, that's it. Who is offering what? Who will give less price to your organization? They will go ahead with that. Less price with good security. Okay, so your company will choose that one. Am I clear?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So if you wanted to see, let me just open the GitLab. Nowadays, GitLab is used by a lot many people, including mine. So I basically work on GitLab also. GitLab is our repository. This is the login page of your GitLab. Okay, you can log in with any of these options which is shown here, or you can also sign up for this. So I'll just click on Google and I will give the access quickly. Okay, it's already there, it says. Oh, let me log into the GitLab account, okay? Hmm. Okay, so if you are able to see my screen, please have a look at here. This is how your the dashboard looks for the GitLab. Okay, this is how your dashboard looks for your GitLab. As I have said that here you guys can see, right? Home projects. Under project, if you go, see, these are my group, and inside my group, there are a few, I would say, these things. Okay, the project, I would say. What I'll do is I'll just go here. Uh, I'll go back here, and yeah, if I go ahead and click on new project, it will open, create a blank project, new project, test. Okay, you can create your own project test. Project in the sense repository itself. Okay, initialize the repository with the README. Okay, whether you want private or public or internal. Forget about this. Private or public. So create project. So a repository will be created. If you're able to see, you guys can see here clone with SSH or clone with HTTPS. Okay, similarly, for example, you just need to go ahead and create a token for this also. If I go here, here, or I could have gone there. So from here, see here, your SSH key or PAT. This is the token, okay, that you can create, and here you can see generate token. This token you can use to log in, otherwise there is a SSH key option also. How you can log into this account and just use the git commands to push, that's it. Git push, done. Git clone, it will be done. Git pull, it will get updated. So these are the different commands that you can use with your uh, Git itself, okay? To access your GitLab repository, there is nothing else with there. But as I have said, it also provides you how you can manage your pipelines, okay, which you will learn in the Jenkins. Okay, that's the extra feature this will give, but you need to set up. You need to do the setup based on it. So then only you will be able to see it. So if I open any repository, okay, here only you will be able to see it. See here. This is where you will be able to see here all your pipelines and everything. This is your CI/CD part. CI/CD. Okay, you will get your CI/CD part here. They are saying how you can say same commands, nothing else. Any question? Anyone? I'll teach you GitLab later. Okay, not now. Once you complete all your topics, right? Then I'll come back again. At that time, I will teach you. If I teach you right now, then it will be problem for your next upcoming classes. So for Jenkins and everything. So I'll teach you at that time. So it will be easy for you also to understand. Here also you can fork many projects, and it's very similar to the GitHub itself, but it gives you the primary features like Jenkins and everything in a same board. Okay. So this is about your GitLab. And this is how it looks. Okay, you have Bitbucket also, and Git, GitHub and GitLab is enough. Okay, people have used a lot. GitHub is enough, I would say, because it has a huge community. Okay, everyone will use from your GitHub. Why I'm saying this is because, see, for example, um, how many of you know what is a dependency? Dependencies.
In order
Anyone know
to
what is
run
a
an
dependency?
application, yeah, like if I want to run some application, so there might be dependencies on Java or something. So without that, the application can't run.
No, fine, good. Okay, let's say whatever the things that you have learned so far, right? Which is a Git. What are the dependencies for Git? Basic dependency of Git in normal world. Bash, Linux. What are the dependencies of Linux? Can anyone tell me dependencies? See, normally if you wanted to use a git command, what is the required thing for you to have? You must have. You need to install git bash, right? Locally. Yes or no? To run the git command. This is the first thing. For example, in your Linux, you need to have a bash, right? Shell to run any Linux commands. So this is a dependency. This should be there. To turn on a video, you should have a video feature. Then only you can turn on. That's a dependency. I'm sorry. Yes or no? For example, when I consider any application, if WhatsApp or Facebook or anything. So what is this? This is a environment. Why we need an environment? Why we need an environment? Because this environment provides what are the necessary things to run your application. Yes or no? For example, for the WhatsApp to run, if you have a mobile, will WhatsApp will work directly? If you have a mobile, will WhatsApp work directly? Don't you need OS? What is Android? Don't you need an OS? Don't you need a network connection? Don't you need a messaging key and other stuff? Access to the gallery, messaging stuff, access to the location. All this stuff, don't you need it? Don't you need your WhatsApp application to interact with the camera, audio? Should not it interact with these people? Hmm? So this is an environment which creates all the stuff, right? This is an environment which has the necessary things to do all this work. Am I clear what do you mean by an environment? An environment will provide all the packages for the application to run successfully. If I wanted to run a Java application, Java should be installed. If I wanted to run Python, Python should be there. Which version of Python properly? All it should be there. Similarly, for different languages, I need those language to be installed. Are you guys following it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So that's what, right? So that is an environment we needed. Where did I? Okay, fine. Yeah. Can you guys tell me what are the languages we have? You guys have heard about? Heard, not known. Languages. Languages in the sense programming languages, not what we speak. Can you guys list me few programming languages? Java. Have you guys heard about Java? Java have JavaScripts. We have JavaScripts, right? We have like Node. We have like React. We have Python. You might have heard. Of course, you guys will came across this. If you have completed your engineering, okay, in your second PU itself, you would have came across this guy. Yes or no? C and C++.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Um, what else we have? There are many. Angular, okay, and Gradle, okay, so on. There are many. So these are very important languages that we will be coming across. Okay, so I hope everyone knows about it. Yeah, not completely, at least you know that they exist. Okay, please remember at least if you're not aware of. So now, can you guys tell me if I wanted to, okay, let me think. Hmm. Okay, suppose, okay, we'll go back to the basics. Hmm? Java is a language, right? So why we need Java? First of all, why we need Java? Why we need a language? First of all,
Used for the backbone of modern software.
you're not clear. Sorry, can you come back again?
Java,
Sure.
we need the Java. It is the backbone of the modern software.
So
Used for the
backbone of
primary.
the software, fine. You see, it's a programming language, right? We'll write a piece of code in Java, piece of code. This is your code. And this can be made as an application, right? Almost all your Android is written in Java. Okay, now this piece of code which I have written will be given to whom? Your mobile phone, your laptop, or your desktop? Yes or no? So whatever the code you have written will be directly given to the your laptop, mobile, and everything. Whatever, I am a developer. I write a piece of code in Java. Will that be directly put into your mobile and you can start using it? Is it possible?
No.
No.
Okay. So what needs to be done?
It will be packaged something.
No. In at least, let me know. Anyone have seen this anywhere? .exe anywhere? At
Yes.
least is everyone have seen this .exe file?
Yes.
Who has not seen it so far? .exe file. See, whenever you go ahead and download any application, some of the application, it will have the extension of .exe, right? Or you can also see that some will have like jar to install it. So what exactly are these guys are? These are our packages. Someone already said that. Package. What do you mean by a package? A package is completes, it will have the whole files and folders which will be written inside it. Okay, it will have the codes and everything. It will have the environment also. Which environment? For example, environment in the sense, what are the supporting things it needs? Supporting things which binds for it. Okay, I'll just explain in a very simple way. Okay, now I'll take like this. I have written a piece of code. What exactly I will write in my code? In my code, what exactly I will write it? You consider, for example, does everyone know this? Everyone knows it?
Yes.
Okay. You have seen at least, not know in the sense when I ask, you know about it in depth. No. You have seen at least, right? HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, fine. Consider you are having a WhatsApp application here. Okay, very simple. This is a WhatsApp application. I have written it in some Java. Okay. Does this WhatsApp application need access to the internet or not? Hmm?
Yes.
It needs. So it needs, which means internet in the sense it should have any of this HTTP or HTTPS X, right? So for this to have this HTTP and HTTPX, okay, these are the dependencies. So these dependencies should be installed inside this package. It should be available inside this package, I would say. This is one of the basic I'm telling, which we have known. Okay. So if you go for the Python dependencies, there are lot many. Java dependencies, there are lot many. So if I wanted to over and show it for you, let me just show you this. Even dependencies. See, these are the dependencies which is given for the Java application. Okay, for the Java application. We call it as a MVN repository. I will talk about what is Maven and all. But this is for Java. Okay. If I wanted to know about Python, then Python, what was it? See, this is about your Python. Okay, you will get it here. Python package. This is. Here, this is where you will get it. Okay, just think like that. For the Python. Okay, like it, there will be lot of dependencies that you can download. If I go to the main you can see here. These are the different types of dependencies which will be used and installed. I just said only one thing. Okay. For calculation, if I take calculation, addition should be done 1 plus 2, right? So this is a dependency. Our code should know that how to do a addition. So this is the dependency which I need to install it for it. How to do addition and subtraction. This method. Okay. So mathematic dependency. Like this, there will be many dependencies for everything. So when you are writing a piece of code, you will include all these dependencies. You will add a proper flow, right? There will be start and end for everything, right? So you will be adding a proper flow for this one, and that's how we call it as a complete package. Okay, so this is what it is about. The dependencies are about. I need to do the calculation work. I need to do the comparison between the two files. I need to search the files, deep search. I need to convert the files into .text files into something different file. Okay, I want to convert JPG to another format. Right? For all this, we need different types of dependencies, which will do its work. So all those will be saved in somewhere. Dependencies will help us to resolve this kind of issues. Okay, we cannot write a like for example, if I am writing a piece of code, I cannot tell that you take first one, you take then place plus, you take then next two. 1 plus 1 is 2. I cannot write that code. Rather than I will use the dependency, I'll just give the numbers. Dependencies are like already written code by someone. We can utilize that like that it is. To pass 1 and 2, it will only add it, it will give to me. HTTP connection is already done. You install that dependency, you tell to which website it needs to connect, it will connect. So these are the dependencies which are needed for our application. Okay, I'll keep this aside again. Okay, we'll come back in later stage. Have you guys heard about these words? Front end, back end applications, front end application, back end application. Anyone have heard about it? What do you mean by the front end application? What is the meaning of back end application? No? Okay, no problem. For example, you go to the bank. Okay, sorry, not go to the bank, I would say. Banking. Okay, consider a bank. You log into your HDFC, Kotak, or Axis Bank, right? Login, login page. You go to your account section, balance. You go to the statement section. All this, which is visible for you, it is called as front end. It is called as front end application, which is visible for you to see it. What do you mean by the backend application? Backend application is, for example, the calculation. Okay, this is the brain part. For example, as I've said, whenever you will deposit, right, money, that deposit money should goes to whom? Should to you. So first calculation like this. Second calculation, you wanted to log in, right? You want to log in. So to log in, you need a username and password, right? For this username, this is the password. How this will get resolved? How it will be known? Simple. This is stored in your backend application. When you put username field and password field, it will just go ahead and check whether this user is available or not. If he exists, what is the password of it? It will compare it and it will allow you to log in. So this is your front end application. This is your back end application. So here you will be able to see the login page, only the display UI you can see it. UI in the sense, whatever the thing that you can see. Okay, you can see it. You will just put it username and password they will give you. So when you insert the username and when you insert the password, this is responsible for whether username exists or not to check it in its database. Okay, whether for that username, is this the right password? That comparison will be done by your backend application. If I take Facebook, you will upload the image using the front end application. But where it should be saved? It should be in your gallery, right? And at what time it should save, where it should save. All those steps will be taken care by your backend application. So backend application is mainly responsible for these kind of activities. Front end is very easy. It is an UI. Whatever you are able to see here, that's it. It's your. But the processing, actual processing happens behind. So that is taken care by your backend application. And I have also mentioned the data, right? This is about your data. As you know, this is the most important part of life right now, data. If you have data, next word. AI always, AI, artificial intelligence, works on data, whatever the data it knows. We have feeded all the data. We're just providing some prompt. We are getting the answers. All the data has been fed to the AI already. So then we are taking the data, those data. Okay. Keep this aside. We are not here yet. Okay. To talk about the AI. Hmm. This is your front end application, your back end application. Okay. Anyone have any question? See, our job is to make sure that where this application will end up. As you already know that we will be creating the infrastructure, right? Whether you give the front end application, whether you give the back end application, it does not bother me. You tell me where I need to deploy it. That's the only thing I am concerned about. Whatever kind of application, whatever the application it is. I don't wanted to know whether it is WhatsApp or any other. My job is to create an infrastructure, right? So based on this, we will select. Okay, based on this in the sense, like whatever the application, whatever the language it is, we'll go ahead. Okay, if you ask me, Sunil, whether we have Python, we have Java. Can you guys tell me why I need to choose Java to create a better application? Why I need to choose Java?
Platform independence.
Okay, then
Java is used to widely enterprise application,
hmm,
web services, banking, insurance, cloud-based systems.
why can't we use Python? Why Python can't replace Java there? My question,
Security is
right?
quite good.
See, when you see that security, it's all about it is Java is having some extra features, right? Code flexibility. Java is giving here. Even though Python, writing the code of the Python is very easy, it does not provide all the dependencies for us, right? So that's why we need a different languages. That's why we have chosen especially Java for any complex applications. Okay. Yeah. So this is about your different types of application. Sorry, different languages actually. Okay. So now next one. For example, you have a memory card, right? In your mobile, you have memory cards. So if I wanted to know what is the storage of your mobile, so how do I say that? It's a very basic question, very basic. How do I say that? How much memory you have? How do I say that? For example, I have 6 GB, 10 GB, 8 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128, 246, so on. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So these are the storages. I'll keep this. Now, I'll write code in Java. I write code in Python. I write it in some other node, whatever it is. Does my machine will understand it? My computer was able to understand those. Will it be?
No.
What does system understand?
It will understand only binary languages.
Binary languages, correct. So which is 0 and 1. Guys, these are very basic. Okay. We'll try to understand from the basic itself. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Machine will understand zeros and 1. For example, if I write something like this, can anyone tell me what it is? Oh, sorry. Hmm. Can you tell me what it is? If I write like this, what it is? Hmm.
It just comes another bit,
Hmm. 8 bits.
8 bits.
Okay. So now when I write the 8 bits, what is the value of this right now? If you see in the on the board, what is the value of this 8 bits? When I write 0, what does it mean?
We
Is
don't
it
use
not?
the particular bit, right?
Is it not this one? Have you guys came across this or not?
Yes. I've seen this.
When I write 1, which means that 2 to the power of 1, if I am counting it from here. 2 to the power of 0 means 1, so it is 0. 1 into 0, 0. There is nothing. Here 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 to the power of 2. 2 into 1, sorry, 4. 4 into 1, 4. Is it like this or not? 4 plus 2 is 6. For example, 2 to the power of 3 is 1 here. So 2 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 2 is, sorry, 2 into 2, how much it is? 8, right? So here it is 8. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So this is 0. Again, 2 to the power of 5, how much? 16. 16 it is. Am I correct? Am I going correct? So here 16, here it will be 32. This will go on like that 0, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 256.
64.
256 into 2, how much?
0.5.
512. What is this?
On GB.
This will come till 1 GB. So don't get worried. Why Sunil has told directly GB it is. We will calculate, this is how we also calculate the storage, right? And the numbers. The binary numbers we will call, we will calculate the gigabyte, bits, megabyte, MB, terabyte, so on, the storage. Have you guys forgotten all these things in your college, from your college? We need it right now, guys. Okay, please do remember all the stuff. It is required right now. Okay, so I'll stop it here. Okay, I'll stop it here. I will continue with these topics. Small topic, basic topics. Continue again tomorrow. Exactly from tomorrow, I will start with the build tools. What is a build tool? And what are the different types of build tools we have? You have already known the different languages that I have written. So I will again come back to those, and we'll see more on these stuff. Okay. So this is a small introduction for your build tools, what it will contain. See, build tools is not proper. It's a pieces. Okay. Pieces of like what you will be actually doing, actual work stuff, kind of. Okay. So please listen to carefully and make a notes. Whenever I say something, please do make a notes of it. Okay. Fine, guys. I will stop the class here. Okay. I'll continue tomorrow. I'm letting you guys early today. The only reason is you have not yet completed the assignments yet. I want my assignments to be completed by tomorrow. So please complete it. Okay. In tomorrow class, first I will check the assignments and then I will continue with the topic. Okay. So for you to be in the class, the first is assignments. You should complete it, your assignments. See, Saturday and Sunday is over. There were no classes, and still you guys have not completed means it is very bad. You had lot of time, and still you guys have not completed means it's very bad, literally bad. So please complete it. Let me know if you are struggling with anything. Okay, I'll let your QA team knows that to start from the Git. Okay, today. From today you will have the Git topics. Okay, so that you guys can ask the question to me if there is any doubts. Fine, guys, that's all from my side today. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sunil.